We're here. Ugh. New spot. This is Shoe Creek Trail. I've been on the trail before. I've never camped here because everything was packed the last time I was here. But this is actually a really cool spot. I've been wanting to camp at this spot for a minute. And let me get the stars of the show out. The dogs. Let them walk around, scare off anything that's scary. Guys, I haven't been camping in a while, probably 3 months. Summer months have been so hot and I've been working on the property. It's nice to take a little break and get out and enjoy nature and just not actually work, because on the property it's non-stop. But yeah, so I'm here, got the Lexus, got the dogs, got a nice little camp spot. So let's enjoy it. All right, so it's been a few hours, not gonna lie. I came in, I set up my camping chair, my table, gave the dogs water. Notice that they are both on a leash. There's Cadence, there's Athena. Right now, I am about to set up because, like I said, it's been a couple hours since I got here and I just literally, I set the chair up, the table, and I just sat and relaxed. If you notice behind me, I have my computer set up and I have put some stuff on the computer that I've recorded, and just been hanging out and enjoying it, enjoying this. It's really nice. It's cold. If you notice, I'm wearing a sweater. I did not plan for this. I'm wearing flip-flops, short sleeve shirt, shorts. I thought it was going to be 85 degrees like it is off the mountain, but again, didn't account for on the mountain, and it's chilly. This is my second time setting it up, so we'll see. I'm not trying to set it up initially. I'm just going to pump it up, leave it out here because I still want to cook, and I don't want to set it up and cook inside the tent, if that makes sense, right? It does make sense, so leave me alone. All right, let's move this out of the way. And then you just start pumping. Oh. Come alive. Come alive. All right. All right. Move this. This is the part that goes over the car. And one thing that I'm realizing is that I didn't clean it as good as I should have after the first use. So again, this is my second time using it. It's just dirt, but it's fine. Pillows. This is my solo gear that's gonna go on the back or the third row seat. Right now the tent's pushed off to the side because again, I'm gonna cook some dinner out here because I don't have my fire. So guys, this is my new drone. I'm still learning it. Yeah, hopefully we'll get to see some aerial footage from here on out. Let's bring it over here. No, back. Let's, no, back. Oh, no, back. You don't bite it. Oh yeah, she ready. Hold on, let's back it up, and let's go up. Oh yeah, and let's record. Boop. That's us right here. I'm waving, and we're gonna go up. Boo! And then I'm gonna show you where in the mountains we are. I have it set for a certain height limit. Have it set for a certain distance away. Because, you know, I'm a newbie. But check this area out. Just a little bit higher up. Come on, camera. A little bit higher. And then check it out, guys. Wow. Beautiful. This is where I'm at. In the middle of somewhere. Wow, look at that. That's so cool. And again, I'm way down here. It's coming down closer and closer and closer. Hopefully I don't hit any trees. I've already hit 4 trees. Oh, the wind. The wind is good up there. Nice. Back her up. Back her up. Ooh. And let's check it out. Oh. Oh, no, wait. No. 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 Mayday. 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 Where? Oh. Okay. Well, all right, so let me get it out of the sun. Still beeping. Here's my new drone. I hit a button that I guess sent it home. So when you send it home, it goes up, it finds where you are, where the remote is, and then it comes down. Well, I'm surrounded by trees. So when it went up, it hit, and I'm trying to control it, but it has the control of going home, and we're fighting each other, and it was just like a ping ball machine. Literally, it was like ping, 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 until it hit a bigger branch, and then it went down, and all the guts came out like this. Yeah. Maybe it's a scratch. Maybe it's just a scratch. It's just a scratch. Hit. Yeah. This goes over that, and what is going on? This over here. This. Come on, dogs. What? Help me. Okay. No problem. I got it.